Biden judge to oversee the Comey case? I'm sure you've heard that one. So let's dive in. First question, how do you become a federal judge? You're nominated by a president, and then you're confirmed by the Senate. There are 3 levels of federal court: district court, appellate court, and United States Supreme Court. Now, at the district court level, there are 2 types of judges: a district court judge and a magistrate judge. A district court judge is nominated by the president and confirmed by the Senate. A magistrate judge applies for the position, is vetted by a panel, and voted on by the district court judges in that jurisdiction. Now, a district court judge can hear any and all cases, criminal or civil. A magistrate judge has some of the powers of a district court judge, but not all. Most cases go to a magistrate when the parties consent. If you file a lawsuit in federal court, you will know that one of the questions is always, will you consent to a magistrate? Their function is essentially to assist in clearing the court docket on smaller, less serious cases. Magistrate judges serve 8-year terms. District court judges are lifetime appointees. Number 2, who gets to decide what judge hears what case? In federal court, judges are randomly assigned unless there's a conflict or there is a specific area of expertise that's really required to hear a very specific type of case. When a case is entered in federal court, it's immediately assigned a docket number, and very shortly thereafter, you'll receive an email notice with the name of the judge who's been assigned to the case. So as soon as the case is entered, it prompts the system to assign a judge. That might be a Trump judge, might be a Biden judge, might be a Bush judge, or an Obama judge, or a Clinton judge, Bush senior judge. We even still have some Reagan judges. You'll get one of them, and you'll get that judge by random assignment, which leads us to number 3. Who is the judge who's been appointed to the Comey case? That would be Michael Nachmanoff. Apologies because I'm sure I'm mispronouncing. He graduated law school in 1995. First job, clerking for a federal judge. All right, so the guy's been in the pipeline since the beginning. From 95 to 02, he was in private practice. Then he went to the Federal Public Defender's Office for the Eastern District of Virginia. In 2005, he became the acting deputy. From 2007 to 2015, he was the chief public defender. In 2015, he became a magistrate judge. Remember, application vetted by a panel of lawyers, non-lawyers, voted on by the judges in that court, appointed to an 8-year term, sworn in 2015, worked as a magistrate until 2021 when he was nominated for elevation by President Joe Biden, confirmed by the Senate with a 52-46 vote. So he's been a lawyer for 30 years and a judge for 10. And he was randomly assigned to the Comey case. And he also happens to have been appointed by Biden. Number 4, my commentary. We have to stop attacking the system. If you don't like the judge you draw, that's okay. But do not make it what it's not. If we allow the judiciary to be attacked and fall, we no longer will have a democracy. Happy Friday, folks! The more you know.